Shalom, it's David, and we're going over the wall push-up. For this exercise, you're just going to need yourself and a wall. Important points. 1, hand setup. One of the common errors we see is people have their hands up way too high. And that encourages you to start bending your forearm towards the wall. One of the important points of this exercise is you always want to keep your forearm as close to perpendicular with the wall as we can. So the forearm stays perpendicular and then the bending happens here. Another thing that helps with that is making sure that the elbows aren't flaring out too much or coming in too close, but coming in at about 45 degrees, just like in a regular push-up. Next is also lowering the hands. Sometimes making a fist makes this a lot easier. People end up here because this wrist extension is limited, and to come out of this extension, they start lifting their hands, which then causes this problem. So feel free to use your fist. It's not too much weight because it's just a tiny bit of weight on the wall, and that makes it a lot easier for a lot of people. Next thing I want you to remember is rotation. We want to make sure that we finish with the eye of our elbow pointed up to the sky and the elbow pointed down to the ground. So finish position here, not here. So every time, come down, finish. Not finished until the arm is completely straight and you have finished this rotational element, which is important for your shoulder health. Last thing, axis of rotation should be on the balls of your feet. I find it's helpful to start with my heels lifted, which encourages me to make that movement happen at the balls of my feet as I move towards the wall. And notice I'm coming until my forehead comes into physical contact with the wall. You don't have to make physical contact. You should come really, really close. You should definitely not bang your head into the wall because banging your head into the wall is generally not a good idea. And that is the wall push-up exercise. I'll see you next time. Peace.